I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 4 online. First, you need to unlock the Horizon Life mode. This typically happens after you've played through the initial campaign for about 6 hours, or once your player level reaches at least 20. You will also need an Xbox Live account, which is free to create. The good news is, you do not need an Xbox Live Gold subscription to enjoy the multiplayer features in this game. Once Horizon Life is unlocked, connecting with friends is straightforward. Begin by adding your friends through the Xbox app or the Xbox Game Bar on your personal computer. Then, within the game's menu, you can easily form a Horizon convoy. This co-op lobby system allows you to drive together. Remember, only the convoy leader has the ability to start races and other events for everyone in your group. Forza Horizon 4 offers a variety of exciting online experiences. You can cruise around the open world in Horizon Life, encountering up to 72 other players in a synchronized session. Join hourly Forzathon live events, which are 3-round cooperative challenges. For competitive racing, dive into online adventure, featuring team races and games, or test your survival skills in the popular Eliminator Battle Royale mode. Occasionally, you might encounter online connection issues. A common fix is to check your Xbox networking status in your system settings, ensuring Torito is properly connected. Also, confirm your Xbox privacy settings permit joining multiplayer games. If problems persist, try clearing your Xbox Live credentials, then restart both your game and your internet router. These steps often resolve most connectivity difficulties, getting you back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.